Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be having a look at an electric lawnmower which is called a McGregor. It was a neighbour's. They cut over the power cables, and they've left it lying for about maybe a year to 2 years. So we'll see if we can get it up and running. Now we're going to wire it up to the plug. So, yeah. Brown's earth, brown's live, blue's negative. So, yeah. Do this first. Tighten that down with a screwdriver. Now this comes the fiddly bit, trying to get the blue wire into this one here. Usually I have to push it up like so, and then the cable will go in. It's just fiddly, that's all. Go, and then we'll tighten that down. Notice there's no earth cable because there's the earth connection there, and this is a 13 amp fuse, so this sort of mower will run on a 13 amp fuse. So yeah. Excuse me. Tighten this bit back down to hold the cable tight. Put the top of the plug back on. So that's the plug back on. So what we'll do now is we'll plug it in to see if it'll work, and hopefully it'll work. If not, I'll have to do and there we have it. As you heard, that it's all up and running. It's all up and running now. So all I've got to do now is just take the blade off, give the blade a sharpen, and yeah, I'll just check to make sure it's working. So yeah, that's another one sorted. I know that I don't normally do electrical mowers, but I've seen it lying, so I thought I'd give it a bash to see if I could get it running, and it's working perfectly. So what I'll do now is I'll take the blade off and show you how I sharpen a blade. So to take the blade off, we're going to need a 13mm ring spanner. So yeah, and that's it. So off, and so we'll give it a sharpen. So there's a sharpening edge. There's the edge that's needing sharpened there, so we need to give that a good sharpen. And the same this side as well, there's the other side there to be sharpened. So give me a minute and I'll come back to you and I'll get the set up the grinder. So we've sharpened all the blade now along here and along here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the blade back on, and then we're going to test and see how sharp the blade is. So that's that all back on. So what I'll do now is I'll take it outside and get an extension lead set up. What I'll do now is I'll get up, take it outside, get an extension lead set up and see how well it cuts, and then I'll give it a good clean up, and then once that's done I'll come back to you. So there we have it, guys, the McGregor electric lawnmower all back working. Just had to put the plug back on it, and I didn't think the engine, the motor would work because it had been left, like I said, I didn't know if the motor would work because it had been left lying for near enough a year to 2 years. So it's working, so, and it's all cleaned up, ready to go out the door. So what I'll do, so yeah, that's that all done, up and running and all cleaned up, ready to go out the door. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that'll tell you each time I've uploaded a video. And it doesn't cost anything to subscribe, so until then, I'll catch you all on the next one. Until then.